Abbreviations are characters that can be used in order to represent a special character that can't be easily added with the keyboard. There is a list of commonly used abbreviations in the software. To see this list, first select Edit Text and then click on the Abbreviations button. This will open the Abbreviations editor. You will see a list of the available abbreviations. When you type 1/2, it will be replaced with 1/2 unless you have abbreviations turned off. To turn off abbreviations, you uncheck Smart Text. If it's activated and you select 1/2, the software automatically will convert that to the Smart Text. To create an abbreviation, click on Edit Text and click on Abbreviations, then select New. Type in what characters you want to type and then the characters that will replace whatever you type. Click OK. Close the dialog box. Make sure Smart Text is selected. Click on the screen and begin typing, and automatically you have the word. If there is a word that you constantly are using in DesignWorks, this will save you time. In addition to adding an abbreviation, you can edit, delete, or reset in the dialog box. To delete an abbreviation, select the abbreviation you wish to remove and press Delete. You will get a confirmation dialog box and click Yes. To edit an abbreviation, select what you wish to edit and select Edit. You can then change any part of the abbreviation you wish to use and click OK. If you choose Reset, it will reset all modifications that you have made.